Welcome to solverfy.
For this problem, we're told that the proportion of football injuries that occur during practice is 57.6%. So we can mark our claim as P equals 0.576 because that is the claimed proportion. Now we think that this is too high, so our alternative hypothesis is that our P is actually less than 0.576. We're testing this at a significance level of 0.05. And since P is less than, this is a left-tailed test. So our critical value is negative 1.64. So next we need to find our test values. So we took a sample and studied that sample. And we took a sample with the size of 36. And we got a result that 17 out of those 36 football injuries occurred during practice. So our sample proportion is p hat, and that's equal to x over n. So 17 over 36, which gives us a proportion of 0.47. So now we need to find our z value, and z is equal to p hat minus the claimed p all over the standard deviation, which is p times 1 minus p over n. So if we plug in the values that we have, 0.47 minus 0.576 over the square root 0.576 times 1 minus 0.576 all over 36. And that gives us a z value of negative 1.26. So to make our decision, we're going to draw a normal curve with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So mean 0, 1, 2, 3, standard deviations, -1, -2, -3, and I'm going to draw in our critical value of negative 1.64, so that's about here, and shade in their critical region. And then I'm going to shade in our non-critical region. And then I'm going to write in our test value in green. So that's negative 1.26. So that would be about here. We shade this way. Sorry. So we can see our test value falls within our non-critical region. Meaning, or so, we fail to reject the claim or the null. So to summarize, this means that we do not have enough evidence to conclude that the true proportion of football injuries that occur during practice, I'm just going to write context here because this is where you would include that, is less than. So we can't conclude that the true proportion of football injuries that occur during practice is less than 57.6%. And that's our answer.